Let's unbox Scorch Marker's official Christmas set. As you can see here, you get 24 Christmas stencil designs with this kit, all on red premium vinyl, pre-weeded with transfer paper applied. These look fantastic. I am so proud of our artists. Wow. Let's choose my favorite design, the stag. We're just gonna lightly tear it away using the perforations. Man, that is so easy. As you can see here, there are 3 layers. We have the white backing, the red stencil, and the transfer paper attached. To get started, simply remove the white backing by rolling it down the stencil like this, exposing the sticky side below. I'm going to show you how this works by attaching it to our sourwood slice. We're going to take the stencil sticky side down and stick it on just like that. Now when you're applying your stencil, it's important to press down from the center towards the edges. We don't want to get any folds in the stencil, and by doing it this way, it helps a ton. Now in order to use this stencil, we have to get the transfer paper off. We're going to peel it down just like this. That came off really easily. Now we're left with a beautiful stencil design applied to whatever piece you want. You can use whatever medium you like to fill it in, but we prefer to use a scorch marker. Once your design is complete, simply grab the corner of the stencil and remove it just like that. There may be a few pieces left over, and you can use your nail or a small tool to remove them. Once you're done, set the stencil aside and complete your project. It's that simple. We like to show off our crafters' designs to our community on our social media, our email list, and our crafter of the week. That's why we've created a submission form at scorchmarker.com so you can show us what you've made. We hope you enjoy these stencils as much as we have. Happy crafting.